Okay, I'm about to demonstrate how to use the snipping tool to turn in your work for graphic design. First, you want to make sure all your layers are visible. So I'm on the move tool, and I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to pull that up. Okay. So I've got a background, I've got blue, light blue, green, purple, and my name layer. All you had to have for this activity was 6 layers. So I just right clicked this layer 6, and I'm going to hit delete layer. Okay, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my signature layer. So I'm about to access the snipping tool. New. Also, if this is in the way, you grab at the top right there and just move it. Hit new. And you put your crosshair right here and drag across. And I can see all your work and your layers. And you go File, Save As. And make sure you're paying attention to where you put your work. In this case, it's going to pictures, and that's fine. You have to change this to a JPEG. And it's best to name it non-representational, art. But you can name your work whatever you wanted to. If I wanted to call this paint splatter, that's fine. Okay, it's up to you. Just hit save. And then you would go to Canvas. And submit your work. And for this particular assignment, on yours, you're going to have a submit button. And you're going to go File and then Browse and find where you saved your work and hit Submit. So but hit this and you go to Browse. And mine went in my picture folder. And you would double click that and then hit Submit. And that's it.